Ever wondered why olive oil is often hailed as liquid gold in the culinary world? It's not just about its rich, fruity flavor, but the plethora of health benefits it brings. From ancient civilizations to our modern kitchens, olive oil has been cherished for its nutritional properties. Its heart-healthy fats, powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory effects, and more contribute to our well-being in countless ways. So let's dive in and explore the health benefits of this golden elixir. One of the most notable benefits of olive oil is its potential to improve heart health. This golden elixir is rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats are the good guys in the dietary world. They work tirelessly to reduce levels of bad cholesterol, known as LDL, while simultaneously boosting the levels of good cholesterol, or HDL. This balancing act plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. But that's not all. Olive oil is also a treasure trove of powerful antioxidants such as polyphenols. These microscopic warriors combat oxidative stress and inflammation, keeping your body in peak condition. It's not just about keeping your heart in check. Olive oil also fights off harmful free radicals. Moving on from the heart, let's talk about inflammation. A silent saboteur, inflammation can lead to chronic diseases. But guess what? Olive oil is here to save the day. Packed with anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil can help keep inflammation at bay. But that's not all. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats such as oleic acid. This superstar component is associated with numerous health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate olive oil's potential role in the big C cancer. Certain studies suggest that the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil might help reduce the risk of some types of cancers. From fighting chronic diseases to potentially warding off cancer, olive oil truly packs a punch. But the benefits of olive oil don't stop there. Let's dive into how this liquid gold can support brain health. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil may bolster cognitive function, helping your brain work at its best. These healthy fats also offer protection against age-related cognitive decline, keeping your mind sharp as you age. Moving from the brain to the gut, olive oil can also aid digestion. It promotes the production of bile, an essential component for breaking down and absorbing fats in your digestive system. And let's not forget weight management. The healthy fats in olive oil can help you feel full for longer, potentially aiding in maintaining a balanced weight. Whether it's supporting your brain or aiding your digestion, olive oil has got you covered. In a nutshell, olive oil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a versatile health ally. From heart health to weight management, its benefits are truly remarkable. Integrated into a balanced diet, it can boost overall wellness. Enjoy the benefits of this liquid gold and don't forget to subscribe for more content.